I want to ask you for advice on how to overcome depression and have patience.
If you remember Allah Ta'ala, then Allah Ta'ala will give you comfort. Right? So, whenever you feel depression, you feel upset, you bow before Allah, pray to Allah Ta'ala in your prayers, in your nawafil. You cry to Allah Ta'ala that He enable you to overcome this situation and give comfort to your heart and patience. So, this is the only solution. This is why Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, Allah bi zikrillahi tatma'innul qulub, that for the comfort and patience of your heart, you have to remember Allah. Right? So this is the only solution now. And at the same time, you should also try to make good friends who are helpful to you, and that will also work. Right?
Ji Hazur, Jazakallah.